What's up, dudes? If you guys just bought an E34 like I just did, these are like the 3 top things that I highly recommend you do, just because it's really cheap and it makes you love your E34 that much more. So let's just go with the most simplest one. Over the years I've been owning E34s, I kid you not, I almost got knocked out because I never invested in this. It's so simple and it's so cheap. Basically all you're gonna do is reach by your foot and you're just gonna open this. You might wanna look that way. That is fresh hood shocks. Now this E34 that I just bought has like brand new hood shocks, and that thing shot out like a damn bullet. So these hood shocks are killer. Like, I highly recommend it because it's just so simple and it makes you like working on your E34 that much better. There's been multiple times that I almost got knocked out, like because my hood just falls.
Oh my god!
Money. That's so soft. Oh shit, clunk. But yeah, that's number 1. I think they run around anywhere from like 20 to like 45 bucks. I highly recommend it. It's under $100 mark, and it just makes it that much easier to work on the car. If you just buy your E34, make sure you try to do that. It's really simple, and you basically like get more out of your E34. I want you guys to have a good experience, not a bad experience. And shit like skipping the small things makes having the E34 a bad experience. So let's move on to another one. Number 2 on the list, again, it's super simple, it's super easy. It takes maybe like 15 to 20 minutes to install, just like the hood shocks. If you guys haven't guessed, it's your trunk shocks. Because you think the hood will knock you out, this will like decapitate your head. This thing is heavy. But with good hood shocks, good trunk shocks, it's like 2 pounds, bro. Man, this E34 I just bought, it came up, man. All right, we're gonna cut to a clip of my cars and my experience of just almost dying by my cars. They try to kill you. Unlike this one is pretty stealth and it's functioning like a BMW should. Look at this. Go ahead, guys, put your shit in the trunk, let's go. Quick little honorable. All right, see, now I start messing up because I don't know how to talk. Quick honorable mentions, we have to just throw this in there. Now the E34 that I bought is damn near pristine. Usually when you buy an E34, these things are just gone. They're shit, they're all crusted, they're corroded, 25 years old, and they're just dry, as dusty as dry can be. With that being said, this is so easy to replace, and it's just, I had to mention it just because it just makes your car look that much better instead of all cracking. All my cars are all cracked, except for this one I just bought. This one's like pretty legit. It's very easy to change. You literally get a little pick and you pry it out, and then the handle falls off. You replace the gasket, push the handle back in, and then you're good to go. I didn't know this, but it's all in the details. I just hit a midlife crisis. I'm starting to pay attention to the details, so I wanted to show you guys what I've missed. You guys probably already know, but I did it, as you can see. All right, so I had to bring you guys in dark time because literally it's still daytime out, and I hope you guys can see it. But on a side note, here goes a sound clip for you. And this E34 I just bought is sick. You ready? This is what I'm talking about. That thing. Because the stock one is more of a yellow color. This is LEDs. It's not that expensive at all. It's probably like 10 bucks, and it's super quick. But at nighttime, it literally illuminates the whole car. If you just buy your E34, these things that I mentioned in the video, take in consideration because it'll make you love your E34 that much more. They all come in handy, especially when you really need them. So all these details together just makes a beautiful ass car. So take into consideration, people. If you guys like that video, like, subscribe, comment, all that famous YouTube stuff. And yeah, since I just bought this car, sorry, cameraman.
We're ending the video. I'm pissed. If anybody wants to see more of this car, there's a link in the description to my channel, and also I'll have this guy put like a video at the end of this video that links to my channel.
Shout out to this dude. Shout out to Kinghorn too for putting love into this car. Long story short, if you guys want to see more, over on that channel. You guys already know. Fuck! Weak. Fuck you. Weak. Hey.
Hey dude, I was walking.
Alright, do it one more time for the homies on the Camera. Full send. Oh shit. Oh shit. Hey.